Samsung's recent Unpacked event introduced the Galaxy S24 series, including the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. However, the highlight was Samsung's shift towards AI technology. This move is seen as an effort to tackle challenges in flagship sales amidst fierce market competition. At the event, AI features were the main attraction, even overshadowing the smartphones themselves. But there's a catch. Starting after 2025, Samsung will charge users for these Galaxy AI features. Let's delve into what this means for consumers. The Galaxy AI features, currently free on supported devices, until the end of 2025, will become paid services thereafter. This decision reflects the growing trend of subscription services in various sectors, offering a steady revenue stream for companies. Samsung's Galaxy AI includes innovative functions like AI-powered quick search, live translation, chat and note assistance, and a voice recording assistant. These features enhance user experience, but will soon come at an additional cost. The exact fee is yet to be announced, but it raises questions about the value proposition for users who have already invested in their devices.